Hi, I'm in Cabo in southern Big Sur, and I'm here checking out Mexican healthcare. Today I'd like to make some points to you about pharmaceuticals. Why is it that Americans pay for all the pharmaceuticals in the world? And is it fair that this country that makes up about 5% of the population of the continent uses almost half of all pharmaceuticals produced in the world? Why is that? Well, one of the reasons is we have a bunch of congressional leaders that do not care how much the American people are broken by the big pharmaceutical industries. Look at it this way. If the pharmaceutical industry is spending $700–800 million per year on lobbyists in order to teach our congressional people how great their medicine is, and if they use it, our people will do better. Why is it that we don't do better? Why do we have such poor health care? I have a nephew in Florida, and he's on medication for rheumatoid arthritis. Now, he needs this medication so that he can work, so that he can have a job. And yet that medication is $5,000 a month. And our pharmaceutical companies blame it on research and development. Well, maybe the Ukraine, maybe Russia, maybe Norway, Sweden, maybe everybody should pay a little bit on research and development. I think they all do, but in this country, we are all informed that we're going to pay the most because we're doing the most research. Probably none of it's true. Next time when you talk to your congressional leaders, send them a message and just ask, who makes all the money off all this lobbying? That's $700–800 million spent on lobbying to use a particular medication. Where is that going to? Why do our leaders get relatively modest salary but all come out of Congress as multi-millionaires? Something's probably not going right in our system. And we know for sure that our democracy is currently broken. All of this is leading to poor health care. Think about your health care. Ask the proper questions. Go to the proper doctors. You may want to consider getting a doctor from another country. Our American doctors, you got to remember, are coming out of education as one of the last educational places in the world, and you cannot expect somebody that has no education to go to medical school and suddenly be good. Let me be stupid again to make a point. A while ago I asked a number of 20, 21-year-old students where Idaho was. Where's Montana? Where's Texas? You know, it's funny, they're more likely to know who are the people on picking the dance contestants than they are knowing who the Supreme Court justices are. We cannot have an educational system that is broken and expect to get great doctors out of it. It is not going to happen. If we have a student that goes to medical school and he can't even find Italy on a map, or he can't find Idaho on a map of America, how are we going to expect them to know where the liver and spleen are when they get in the body? I don't know if that translates, but it's funny to make a point. God bless all of you. You have a wonderful day, and let's try to change healthcare in America. Let's make America great again.